Hi, my name is Chris Jackson. I am a business attorney. I've been one for over 30 years. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an anonymous LLC in the state of Wyoming. You can do it in other states like Delaware or Nevada or New Mexico. The process is pretty much exactly the same. I prefer Wyoming for my clients for reasons I put in other videos, especially their asset protection statutes and their protection of single member LLCs, and they are naturally an anonymous LLC state. I'm going to show you how to set it up properly, keep your name off all records, not only during the formation process, but also every year thereafter when you have to file an annual report. If you don't want your name affiliated with this Wyoming LLC, you don't want your name on the annual report either. I'm going to show you how to do that. To start the process of forming an anonymous Wyoming LLC, go ahead and select the link below my video in the description or in the comments section. That link is an affiliate link. It's not going to cost you anything extra. It's going to support my channel. I thank you for that. But it will take you to the exact web page where we can start the process of creating your anonymous LLC in the state of Wyoming. Okay, if you followed the link that I provided you, you would have arrived here. Go ahead and come down here and press Start My Business. For entity type, you're going to choose LLC. For state, you're going to choose Wyoming. As you can see, you have three options. You have the basic option, the standard option, and the premium option. I'm going to go through each one of these so you can make an informed decision. I think for most people, the standard option makes the most sense, but I'm going to go through each of them starting with the basic option. As you can see, the basic option, you're paying nothing to Busy. You're only paying the $104 state filing fee in the state of Wyoming. Question is, what are you getting in the basic option? The answers are as follows. Number one, they're going to prepare and file your articles of organization, which officially forms your Wyoming LLC. They're going to provide you with free registered agent service for a year. Every LLC that you form, no matter in what state you're forming it, needs a registered agent. They're going to provide that service for you for free in year one. I'm going to go over that in a little bit more detail later. They're also going to give you 1 free month of virtual address service. They're going to give you those 3 items in all of these packages, of course. In addition, they're going to give you access to an online access dashboard after you form your LLC in Wyoming. This dashboard is where everything is organized in one place. You can find your filed articles of organization. You can schedule appointments. If you're going to use a virtual office address and receive mail, your mail will be there. You're also going to get a business bank account offer, which we're going to go over later, and a business tax consultation, which we are also going to go over later. And that is the basic package. Next option is the standard package. As you can see, you're paying $199 to Busy for the standard package. And by the way, all of these packages, these are one-time fees. Unlike some of Busy's competitors, it's not a subscription service. This is a one-time fee to file your articles of organization in the state of Wyoming and get whatever other services and add-ons that come with each package. So for the standard package, you're getting everything in the basic package, plus you're getting an EIN, business tax number, sometimes referred to as a tax ID. It's referred to as also as the employer identification number. We're going to go over that a little bit later, but you need this to open a bank account. It's really important that you open a bank account for your LLC and that you have all revenues go into that bank account for the LLC, all the LLC expenses paid out of that bank account. You do not want to commingle funds between your personal accounts and your business accounts once you get your LLC up and running. So it's important that you obtain an EIN, and they're going to give that to you within 1 business day, sometime the same day. If you choose a standard package, they're also going to give you an operating agreement, and the operating agreement is in Word. It's pretty basic, but it will be a good starting point for your LLC. And I think every LLC, whether it's a single member or multi-member LLC, needs an operating agreement. The operating agreement sets forth kind of the rules of the road, how the LLC is to be operated, how decisions are made, how profit distributions are made, how to bring on new members, etc. It is important that every LLC have an operating agreement and that you treat this LLC separate from yourself by actually following the rules set forth in the operating agreement. Like I said, they're going to provide that to you for free as part of the standard package. It's going to be in your online access dashboard. It's going to be in Word. You can modify it. In addition, you're going to give lifetime compliance alerts. So in the state of Wyoming, you have to file an annual report. Busy is going to alert you when it's due. They're going to send you some emails or some texts, and it's good to calendar these things, but I also think it's important to have reminders. And if you want Busy to file the annual report for you. They will do that for a fee. There's a benefit to this, and I have Busy file it for me. And the reason is that if you want anonymity, this is the one place where a name related to the LLC can be disclosed. The annual report discloses the representative of the LLC. It doesn't tell the public whether that representative is a member or a manager or how they're connected to the LLC. But if you want to keep your name completely off any public document in Wyoming, then I would recommend having Busy file the annual report for you, because then they will sign it for you and your name is excluded. In addition, you're going to get unlimited phone and email support related to your LLC, any questions you have for the life of your LLC, which is great. And then lastly, they will file for you in the standard package form IRS 2553. This form is needed if you're going to elect S corporation tax status or some other tax classification other than the defaults. The default for a single member LLC is a sole. Default for a multi-member LLC is a partnership. All right, so that's the standard package. The premium package, as you can see, is $100 more than the standard package. And the question is, what are you going to get for that extra $100? And the answers are as follows. Number one, you're going to get expedited filing, which means right now in the state of Wyoming, your LLC will be formed in 1 business day if you choose expedited filing. If you do not choose expedited filing, then it's going to be about 3 weeks. I will just say that if you look at the other items that are included in the premium package and you're not interested in any of them but the expedited filing, you can simply add the expedited filing to the standard package later on in the process for an extra $50. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you're essentially saving $50 because the premium package is $100 more than the standard package. So if you want expedited filing only and nothing else in the premium package, just choose the standard package, add it on later as we are going to do. In addition, in the premium package, they're going to give you business contract templates. There's about 25 or more. Also in Word, like the operating agreement templates for various type of transactions. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you prefer to save on legal fees, and I don't necessarily recommend this as an attorney, but if you want to try to start with your own basic contracts, they're going to provide those for you in your online access dashboard as soon as you form your Wyoming LLC. Okay, in addition to that, as you can see, they're going to give you a domain name and business email. I think it's important in general that once you set up a business, you establish a website depending upon the type of business and have your own separate business email separate from, say, a Gmail account. They'll provide that for you as part of the premium package. You can also do that on your own, of course. They will also give you 1 free first year business phone number. So if you want to add a phone number, say to your cell phone, that is separate from your cell phone number without getting an extra phone, it's essentially an app. It is a really good value if that's something you're interested in, because I think that the value, if you were to go purchase this on your own, is about $150, give or take $10 or $20 last time I looked. So if you're interested in that, that in and of itself may make the premium package worthwhile to you. All right, so those are the 3 packages. As I stated before, I'm going to go ahead and choose the standard package for the purposes of this video and click Get Started. All right, on this page, you're going to enter the name of the LLC. If you're not sure whether the name is available in the state of Wyoming, I'll put a link underneath the video in the description so you can go check to confirm whether the name is available. If for some reason you put a name in here that ends up not being available, then Busy will let you know, hey, you got to make a change here or there, make sure that it's not conflicting with an existing LLC in Wyoming. And then you got to come over and choose a designator. And the designator, you have many options in Wyoming. I like the LLC, no periods. It's clean. There's no question what type of entity it is. And then the question is, are you registering an entity containing a word or words in a form of a foreign language? No. Next. All right, as stated before, you can choose here to expedite the filing. I personally like to expedite filings of my LLCs and my clients' LLCs so we get them approved and up and running earlier rather than later. But if you're not in a hurry, you can do it in 3 weeks. I'm going to choose 1 business day filing time for an extra $50. All right, on this page, you have to enter your own personal information. This is between you and Busy so they can communicate with you if there are any issues. So this will not be public knowledge in Wyoming. Next. Okay, on this page, you're going to choose the business address for your LLC. You have a few different options. Number one, they provide you with the option of using a virtual office address for your LLC for $29 a month. You can cancel anytime. I use this service myself. I find it to be very convenient. First of all, it's the cheapest I found. Secondly, when I receive mail, they notify me right away. They also scan it so I can see it. And if they need to send the original mail to my address, they'll FedEx to me. It's very convenient. It's $29 a month. Nothing compares to it in my view. Just note that whatever address you choose, it does not have to be their virtual office address. You can choose another virtual office address or your own address. This will be public knowledge. This will be one of the few things that is disclosed in the state of Wyoming on the articles of organization. It's going to have the LLC's name. It's going to have the LLC's address, and then the name of the agent for service of process and their address. I would recommend for most people, at least in the first month, for the purposes of filing the articles of organization, that you use their virtual address, and that will be public knowledge forever, and then you can change it later. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And if you're going to use their virtual office address, you're just going to come down here and put in your own address. And they need this. This is between you and Busy in case they receive something, like I said, that they have to send to the original to you, like a check, for example. So you want to make sure you include that information down here. Okay, once you've filled in your contact address, go ahead and press next. Okay, on this page, they're trying to upsell you a couple of the items that were part of the premium package for an extra $99. As you know, the difference in price between the standard and the premium package is $100. I've already added expedited filing for an additional $50. I do not want to add these two items for $99. If I'm interested in either of these two items or the other item that is included in the premium package, I would recommend you just go back, start with the premium package at the outset. It is the best overall deal. But if you only want the expedited filing like we are doing here, you would just say no thanks. All right, on this page, you're going to enter the number of members of the LLC. The members are the owners of the LLC, the equivalent of shareholders in a corporation. You can enter up to 6 to start off with. For the purposes of this hypothetical, this video, I'm going to enter 1. I'm going to be a single member LLC in the state of Wyoming. However, before I do that, I'm going to choose 2 just to give you an idea of what you're supposed to do. Member number 1 here would be, in my case, me. Let's just say I am going to own this LLC with my spouse, and we're going to own it 50-50. And I'm going to use here the assigned company address provided by Busy just by default. I don't know whether it's going to be public knowledge. In Wyoming it won't, but I'm just going to use the assigned company address. So the address is exactly the same for me as it is for the company. Then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to put in the percentage of this LLC that I own. And then for member number 2, you just go down here and you say edit. And then I would put my wife's name here, put 50% here, and then next. But as stated, I am going to have a single member LLC. You also see there's a company tab here. So let's just stop here and discuss this real quick. So if a company is one of the members or the only member of this LLC, you would enter that information here. But I wanted also to bring your attention to this tab because if you have, say, a revocable living trust that's going to be the member of your Wyoming LLC, go ahead and put that trust name in the company name here and the address and other information. But in my case, I'm an individual. My name is Chris Jackson. I'm going to use the assigned company address. Next. All right, this is where you decide who's going to be your registered agent. You need a registered agent in the state of Wyoming. Every Wyoming LLC and every LLC needs a registered agent in the state in which they're doing business. So you can assign Busy as your registered agent for free for the first year, which is a great deal. In addition, they will cap your rate. It'll never increase for the life of your LLC. It'll remain $119 per year. Thereafter, you can cancel at any time. Note that you can also be your own registered agent, or you can appoint a separate registered agent here by checking this box. And it can be either you, the individual, another individual, or a company that serves as a registered agent. If you can find a better deal, I don't know that you can. I haven't seen a better deal than what Busy offers. But in any event, you have other options. Just note that the registered agent needs to be in the state of Wyoming. And that registered agent needs to be able to receive what's called service of process. Let's say, for example, God forbid, your LLC gets sued. The plaintiff needs to know to which registered agent in the state of Wyoming to serve the lawsuit. It has to be in person. You have to be available during normal business hours in person to receive a lawsuit. I don't want to deal with any of that. I'm going to appoint Busy as my registered agent. Next. Okay, in this page, you're going to give Busy the information that it needs to obtain the EIN, the employer identification number, or tax ID for your LLC. You need this to open a bank account for your LLC. It's really important that you do that as discussed. You also need this for payroll or for a separate tax return for your LLC. In any event, I really highly recommend you obtain an EIN. Busy will do that for you within the same day or within one business day after you press the final button to start your LLC in the state of Wyoming. First question is, I am a foreign individual, do not have a social security number. My answer is no, but if you are a foreign individual, you're not a U.S. citizen or resident, then you could have Busy obtain the EIN for your LLC for you, so you can open a bank account for your LLC in the United States. It's going to take longer. It could be weeks. It could be as long as 3 months at the outset if there are errors in the process, but Busy obtains this for you, I confirmed, in the fastest method possible, which is by fax. So in that case, you would just say, I agree. But in my case, I am not a foreign individual. My name is Chris Jackson. I'm going to go ahead and provide my social security number. Okay, then once you input your social security number, you're going to come down here and you're going to choose a physical street address. Now, this could be your home address. This is an internal document. The document itself is really going to be issued by the IRS. It's going to be your online access dashboard, like I said, in about 1 business day. It's going to have the LLC's name, it's going to have your name as the member, and then it's going to have an address. And that document is an internal document. It's not a public document, but you will have to provide that document to banks, for example, to open a bank account. And you may have to provide it from time to time to certain customers or vendors. It doesn't make a lot of difference. Like I said, it's an internal document. You can have your personal address here, but if you're going to use an address other than your personal residence, that's what I would recommend. Next. Okay, in this page, they're giving you the opportunity to connect with their business banking specialist at Bank of America. They made a deal with Bank of America that if you deposit a certain amount, you can get bonuses between $300 to $600, depending upon how much you deposit. Full offer details are here. You will also get your $16 monthly fee waived for the first 12 months. If you want to bank with Bank of America, then go ahead and have the bank specialist call you. You can also say no, not at this time, and arrange it through your online access dashboard. You do not have to bank with Bank of America. You can open your LLC bank account at any bank that you want. For now, I'm just going to say no, not at this time. Next. All right, they're going to offer you a free tax strategy consultation, and they will include how your LLC is taxed, how to choose proper IRS tax selection. For example, do you want it to be taxed as an S Corp or not? And if so, when? Commonly missed tax deductions, business bookkeeping, et cetera, et cetera. So I recommend that you take this consultation. You can learn something. Even if you have a CPA, maybe this consultant will bring up an issue that your CPA is not thinking about. Yes, you agree to have them contact you. It's free. Why not? Next. Okay, in this page, they're offering you a service where they will search to determine whether your LLC needs a license or permit. Not every LLC needs a license or permit. It really depends upon the type of business you have, the state in which you're forming your LLC, or you're operating your LLC in this case with the Wyoming LLC, and also the county and the city. I normally do this research myself. I'll go to the city or county website or the state to determine whether I need a license or permit. But if you prefer to have them do it, you can choose yes. I'm going to say no thanks. Okay, on this page, we're almost there. Is the order summary. Just go through and make sure everything is correct. It all looks good to me. Next. All right, on this page, you're going to enter your credit card information, your billing address. You can see there's some additional questions you may have and explanations down here. You're going to check this box that says that you agree to the legal statement and cancellation policy, and I'm sure you're going to read every word of that. And they're going to say complete and pay. And once you press that final button, they will start the process of forming your LLC in the state of Wyoming. They will notify you right away how to access your online access dashboard, and you are off to the races. All right, now that you've formed your Wyoming LLC, you're probably wondering, what do I do next? Fortunately, I have that covered. I'm going to put some videos at the end screen of this video. I'm going to put some resources under this video. If you have any questions about this video or the process or holding companies or whatnot, please put them in the comments section. I get to them on a regular basis. If you like this video, I ask you to give me a thumbs up. If you want more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I thank you for that, and I wish you and your LLC all the best. Have a great day.